Okay guys, I didn't do the cold startup, sorry about that. I was talking with my brother. And I didn't put my damn seatbelt on. Alright, what I've got here, this is a 2011 Toyota Camry. And when I say, I don't say this a lot, this car is new. I mean, 117,000 miles. Seriously? I mean, like it is new. It's a base model. It's just an LE. I got a power driver seat over here. Pretty simple stuff, nothing fancy. Just what you would call a great daily driver that is in perfect shape. This is a trade-in. We have a used car dealer here. Oh wow. We have a used car dealer here in Chattanooga that specializes in BMW, Mercedes, Land Rover, you know, the high-end stuff. What they do is they go and they buy straight from the financial, you know, Mercedes-Benz financial, Land Rover financial, BMW financial, you get my drift. And they do a hell of a business here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I've got several friends that have bought multiple cars from them, and they sell nothing but super nice Class A kind of stuff. And this is a trade-in to them. So it's very unusual to see a car like this out here. I figured this would be a car they would put on their front line, but you know, it really doesn't suit their customer base. So that might be why it's out here at auction today. I bet they're hoping to get about 10 grand for it. Got a set of Kelly tires all the way around, or at least on this side. I mean, she's pretty clean and pretty straight. Sounds good. Let's look under the hood. I gotta go jump over to Mountain View Lane. It started lane 1. I gotta get in there. My test driving's done for the day. I gotta get in there and see if I can catch that Altima, which was number 9. Lane 1, number 9. Wow, this is a nice piece. Drives and runs perfect. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to run in here to the sale and see if we can't buy something. There's so many more cars I'd love to drive, but I wasn't able to get out here and do my Wednesday walk around like I normally did. We had a lot going on at work and I had to work really late. So, going to be probably definitely a short list this week, but catch you next week and we'll get them all. Look at that damn Jeep. Holy crap. That thing will bring some money. Holy smokes. Yeah, I see a town car. I mean, I've seen several things I'd have loved to have driven, but and that good looking old Sequoia, man, that thing's sharp. But I literally test drove the last car of lane 4. I mean, I appreciate my brother sending my ass way out here to drive it. Oh, and I wanted to drive this Land Rover too. We may do that. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe.